Welcome in online lecture. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are in good state of health and iman. Start our lecture with dua. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. قال ربي شرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي ربي زدني علما ربي زدني علما ربي زدني علما Amin. Today the date is 18 April 2020 and the day is Saturday. Here we have a lecture of physics, lecture number 6 for class 6. Chapter number 9, Forces and Machine. Listen students, today we will discuss about long question of this chapter. Here we have a question number 1. Write some uses of wheel and axle in our daily life. Firstly, we have a screwdriver. In lecture, I will deeply define about the wheel and axle of screwdriver. This part of a screw, which is wheel, this is called handle of a screwdriver, and the axle part is called the shaft of a screwdriver. Handle work as a wheel and a shaft work as an axle. The second point is steering wheel of a car. In left diagram, the internal structure of the car. The steering wheel work as an wheel and the internal structure work as an axle. As the wheel turns, the axle also turns. We have studied. So, steering wheel provide a big force to the axle that easily turn the wheel of the vehicles. Third is a water tap. In diagram, you have seen that the upper from where we open the tap work as an wheel and the lower or below the wheel, this part is called work as an axle. Okay dear students, here we have a second question. Describe two kinds of pulley and their working. There are two types of pulley, fixed pulley and second is movable pulley. Discuss about the fixed pulley. The axle of this pulley is fixed with some support. The load is tied on the one end of the rope. From diagram that is clear about the fixed pulley. From one end of the rope, weight is attached over the pulley. A fixed pulley is used to change the direction of applied force. How it is change the direction of applied force? I will explain you. रोप की एक एंड के साथ हम लोगों ने वेट अटैच किया हुआ है और सेकंड पॉइंट से हम उसको अपनी तरफ मूव करवाएंगे. फोर्स की डायरेक्शन किस तरह चेंज होगी? वेट जो होगा वो अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में मूव करेगा और फोर्स जो होगी वो हम लोग की तरफ मूव कर रही होगी. जैसे जैसे हम लोग इस वेट को अपवर्ड मूव करवाएंगे और हम लोग इसको अपनी तरफ खींचेंगे तो फोर्स जो होगी वो हमारी तरफ मूव करेगी. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, द सेकेंड इज मूवेबल पुली. मूवेबल पुली फ्रॉम डायग्राम. फर्स्टली यू हैव टू सी द डायग्राम. ये जो पुली है ये हम लोगों की वेट के साथ अटैच की जाती है. इसका एक हुक होता है जो हम लोगों का लोड के साथ पुली मूव कर रही होती है. रोप की एक साइड हम लोग किसी जगह पे अटैच कर देते हैं और पुली को वेट के साथ अटैच कर देते हैं और वेट जो होता है वो हमारा पुली के साथ मूव कर रहा होता है. इन मूवेबल पुली फोर्स एंड लोड both are moved in the same direction, but in fixed pulley we have discussed that applied force is changed, but in movable pulley force and load both move are in same direction. Difference between fixed pulley and movable pulley. Here we have a diary. Long question number 1 plus 2 is for learn plus HA. Without wasting your time, student must concentrate on your studies. We are closing our lecture with dua. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Okay students, Allah Hafiz.